So now we will see how to find the square root of a number in JavaScript. So guys, let us move to VS Code over here, and simply I'm going to create a new file under this programs folder. So as you can see, we have this square root.js file over here. Now guys, what we will do is simply we are going to create a new function in this case. So basically we have this function keyword, and then we will say get square root over here. So guys, basically this is the name of the function that we have provided, get square root, and then it is going to take one parameter, that is the number over here, for which we need to find the square root of this number. So guys, inside the open and close curly braces, simply we can make use of the math module in order to return the square root of a number. So basically we use this math inbuilt module over here that is present inside JavaScript, followed by dot, and then we have something called as sqrt. So as you can see, this is the method that can be used in order to return the square root of a number. So we are going to make use of this method over here, which is going to take one parameter, that is number in this case, which is getting passed to this get square root function. So guys, over here simply we are going to provide the number parameter, and the same result we are supposed to return from this function. So simply we provide the prefix, that is return keyword over here. So guys, basically this particular function will help us in order to get the square root of a number that we have provided as a parameter over here. So let us call this function. So simply we will provide the console.log statement over here, inside which we will say the square root of number 4 is equal to, and then simply we provide dollar symbol followed by open and close curly braces, inside which we provide the get square root function, that is the name of the function, and then simply we provide the number, that is 4 over here. So this is the parameter that we are providing to this function, that is 4 in this case. Let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal by using the node command followed by the name of the JavaScript file over here. So guys, we have named the JavaScript file as 01 in this case. Let me just rename it. So it should be 02 over here instead of 01, since the first program that we had written was add numbers over here. So we have renamed this JavaScript file. So let me just select the name of the JavaScript file, that is 02 square root.js file. And when we press enter over here, as you can see, the square root of number 4 is equal to 2 over here, which is correct. So guys, basically the square root of this number, that is 4, is 2 in this case. Let us provide another example over here. What will be the square root of 100 in this case? Let us see what will be the output. So simply we provide the parameter, that is 100 over here for this particular function, and also we have provided the value 100 inside this particular string. So guys, let me just save this file now and try running this code on the terminal. So as you can see, we are getting the square root of number 100, it is equal to 10 over here. What will be the square root of the number, that is 20 in this case? Let us see what will be the output, whether it is giving us the floating number or the integer. So when we save this file now and try running this code once again over here on the terminal, so it is providing us a floating number in this case. This should be 20 over here. That's because it is finding the square root of 20. So when we run this code once again, you can see that the square root of 20, it is equal to 4.4721, and so on. We are getting the floating number in order to get the accurate square root of a specific number over here. So guys, basically this particular function is going to return us the floating number and not the integer number without decimals. So basically we are going to have the decimal point, after which we are going to have the required number in order to achieve the precision. Guys, what will be the output when we provide the number 25 over here? So when we call this function, that is get square root, with the parameter 25, what will be the output? Comment in the comment section below. Let us see whether your answer is correct or not. Please make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to this channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. I'll see you in the next video, in which we are going to write the program for swapping of two numbers in JavaScript. So stay tuned.